Hey, morning everybody, it's Keith from Jets PC. Today, after the big rain event we had overnight in San Antonio, it might be time to talk about UPS or battery backups for that piece, your main PC at home or at work, or if you have a business. Mine here at the shop are on a battery backup, so's the alarm, so's the surveillance equipment and the cameras. Battery backups help when the power goes out. Number one, it keeps stuff running. Number two, it also keeps those abrupt spikes from when the power goes off and then comes back on from affecting your desktop or laptop. I'll probably get a call or two about an old desktop that may have been on forever and won't come back on because the power went off and then it killed the power supply. But it's battery backups help because they smooth out power to whatever device you've got plugged in on all the time. It helps with DVRs as well. Those are just as finicky about stable, clean power as anything else. So if you've got equipment you've spent a little money on, and that goes from a couple of $100 DVR with your cameras hooked up to that $4,000 gaming desktop. Get you a battery backup, or at least a surge protector, but battery backup, it would be better because at least it keeps the device up long enough to shut it down, especially with the smaller UPS or limited capacity ones, or at least you have a chance to shut things down, unplug it, and then ride out the storm, so to speak. So hope that helps, and hope everybody's okay. There was a lot of high water in San Antonio, so watch out for those low water crossings. Y'all have a good day, and everybody stay safe out there. Thanks for tuning in, and come by and see us at Jets PC if you need something. 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121. Summer hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks, and everybody stay safe. Have a good day.